Now, with pornography, it's a slippery slope. If people are pursuing pornography, there is the potential that they reach their 20s and 30s and they are truly dysfunctional. It should come as no surprise that a lot of these people have trouble with romantic interactions when they do happen. Their brain isn't conditioned to respond to those. I personally think that building a is a real detriment, especially to the developing brain.
The power of cognitive function is monumental. Our brain, the command center controlling every thought, emotion, and action, thrives profoundly on the quality of its care. Could controlling a simple, often overlooked aspect of your daily life significantly enhance your brain power? Imagine a life where your mental clarity is akin to the sharpness of a morning sunrise. Your creativity bursts like fireworks, and your problem-solving skills rival those of well-known strategists. This isn't a fantasy. It's a lifestyle choice centered around the practice of semen retention. Today, we'll dive into how our cognitive abilities get damaged over time due to the current infrastructure of human life, and how retention can repair every related aspect of our mental capability. Section 1. The cognitive decline. Cognitive ability encompasses the vast architecture of mental skills vital for learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and understanding. It is the foundation of communication, memory, and decision-making. At its core, cognitive ability enables us to perceive the world through various stimuli and to transform that information into knowledge and action. Our thoughts are the architects of our reality. Each thought is like a brushstroke on the canvas of our existence, painting our experiences and shaping the contours of our lives. With every idea, belief, or daydream, we sculpt our personal and collective worlds, crafting an ever-evolving masterpiece of human experience. These processes related to cognitive ability are intricate and interconnected. They include attention, which governs our focus, memory, which stores and retrieves information, language understanding, which allows us to communicate, and executive function, which involves planning and decision-making. Each process is a thread in the intricate tapestry of our cognitive functioning. In our digital age, certain habits have led to a noticeable decline in cognitive function. Studies indicate that excessive screen time reduces attention spans and memory retention, and constant digital multitasking can diminish mental clarity and concentration. For instance, heavy social media use has been linked to poorer cognitive performance and reduced ability to engage in deep, reflective thought. However, semen retention holds the potential to repair the neural pathways of the brain and restore our cognitive ability in every aspect. Section 2. Cognitive repair. The neuroscience behind semen retention reveals profound effects on the brain's chemistry, particularly influencing neurotransmitter activity. Semen retention directly impacts levels of dopamine and serotonin, neurotransmitters essential for regulating mood, motivation, and overall cognitive functions. When ejaculation is delayed, dopamine, the neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward, does not undergo the typical post-orgasmic drop. This stabilization allows for sustained levels of motivation and an elevated mood state, enhancing cognitive clarity and emotional stability. Moreover, retention engages the hypothalamic pituitary gonadal (HPG) axis, a critical element of the body's endocrine system that regulates the production of hormones essential for reproductive and overall physiological health. The HPG axis responds to the practice of semen retention by maintaining testosterone levels, which not only bolsters physical vitality, but also sharpens mental faculties. Elevated testosterone has been linked to improved cognitive abilities and psychological resilience, fortifying the mind against stress and cognitive decline. In addition to the HPG axis, the practice of semen retention also impacts the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal, HPA, axis, another pivotal component of the endocrine system responsible for the body's response to stress. The HPA axis orchestrates a symphony of hormonal activity, primarily involving the secretion of cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. Under normal conditions, cortisol prepares the body to face immediate challenges, by temporarily boosting energy levels and alertness. However, chronic activation of the HPA axis, often due to sustained stress, can lead to cognitive impairments and emotional instability. Semen retention may modulate this axis by reducing the baseline levels of stress and anxiety, thereby minimizing unnecessary cortisol release and allowing for a more controlled and beneficial engagement of cognitive resources. Your thoughts hold the power to shape your reality. To think profoundly, you need a healthy brain, and retention helps you achieve that.
Section 3. Psychological restructuring ego depletion theory posits that willpower is a finite resource that can be exhausted through use over the course of a day. Engaging in semen retention, however, serves as a rigorous exercise in self-control, effectively replenishing and expanding this reservoir of willpower. As individuals practice semen retention, they consistently choose to override immediate desires for ejaculation, thereby not just conserving seminal fluid, but also fortifying their mental endurance. This continuous exercise enhances their capacity to manage and deploy willpower more effectively across all facets of life, leading to stronger self-discipline and improved decision-making. Additionally, semen retention embodies the principle of delayed gratification, which is pivotal for long-term goal setting and achievement. Delayed gratification refers to the ability to withstand immediate temptations to wait for later rewards, fostering a strategic, long-range perspective on life's opportunities and challenges. Through semen retention, individuals learn to delay the instant gratification of sexual release, which cultivates patience and a focus on more significant, enduring goals. It's evident that this ancient practice offers more than meets the eye. You've seen how it can amplify your energy, align you more deeply with the universe, and even guide your path through synchronicities that seem almost scripted by fate itself. But the road doesn't end here. The problem many face after learning about these benefits is where to start or how to continue this path with consistency and understanding. The value of diving deeper into semen retention is immense, offering not just personal growth, but a profound shift in how you interact with the world around you. There is a destructive habit that affects most modern men. It is a silent disease that is hard to notice, and by the time you become aware of it, the damage has already been done. Watch our exploration on the concept of mental masturbation and learn about how it unknowingly impacts your day-to-day life and learn the cure for it. Strive ahead with confidence, aim high and prosper. The masked masculinity is rooting for you.